Hello my people, it's your boy Dr. Fon from the F Company Pictures. Well, today I just want to go right quick and answer the question of one of the comment on my video by Mr. AB Naira that says, "Hello sir, please, I'm in need of a tutorial on how to zoom in and out in Adobe Premiere Pro." So today I want to show you how to zoom in and out in Adobe Premiere Pro. And I hope this tutorial will answer your question, Mr. AB Naira. Let's jump into the Adobe Premiere Pro. So to zoom your image, you just have to go to the left corner side where you see the two arrows. Click on the arrow and you see effect controls. You click on the effect controls, you will see something like video and audio. Now this is where you adjust your audio and this is where you adjust your video. So to zoom the image, you just have to go to motion. So we are going to click on the motion. So from the motion, we have the position and we have the scales. Actually zooming, we are scaling the video. So you scale the video in or out. So because of this video is already fit on screen. All we just need on this video just to zoom in. So we are zooming in, and right to the position, we just have to just frame the image to the center where we are comfortable. Like for me, I love this video at this position, and that is where I'm comfortable with my framing. So actually that is how you zoom on Adobe Premiere Pro. We can watch the video to see what we have done so far. So Mr. AB, I hope I answered your question. Thank you very much, and keep on asking more questions, and I promise I'll be giving you immediately as you ask. So guys, my name is Dr. Fon from the F Company. So if you find this video useful, click the subscribe button so that I will be following you up on YouTube. Thank you very much. See you next time.